Guys, look, where are we? In Disneyland. We are just parked and now we are entering the park. You can see there's not a lot of rush today. So now we are standing in line. You can see even on Wednesday there's a huge rush. So this is the bus we are going to take. We parked in the Toy Story parking and now this bus will take us to the Disney theme land. Guys, we are in Disneyland. We are walking towards the entrance gate now. Oh my god, guys! We are in Disneyland! Finally! Yeah, so basically if you like come from the parking, like which we parked in the Toy Story parking and then we took a bus. So they do the security check there itself. So then you don't have to go through this security. Guys, can you believe this? We are in Disneyland. Look at that. It's the 70th celebration of Disney. So you can see this is where you enter from. And all of these posters. It's basically the 70th celebration of Disney. So we got tickets at a very good price. So this is Disneyland California Adventure. And we are going to the Disneyland. So we got tickets like around $104, which was I think a very good deal. So if you want to like book tickets, then you'll find the link in the description box below. Do check it out because it's the limited time offer, because it's like the 70th celebration of Disney. Look at this, that Disney Mickey Mouse. Oh my god, it's the 70th celebration. Once you enter from here and this Mickey is right in front of you, welcoming you. Oh my god. So here you'll find all the souvenir shops. You can get this Mickey Mouse hairband. Then there's this graduation hairband. So many options. But I would rather say you purchase it from Amazon, because here it's for like $35, $36. And the one I have, I just purchased it from Amazon, which was like 1/4 the price. So this is the City Hall. Now we are entering the City Hall. There's the ride as well. We got this cute map and a cute first time visit souvenir for us. Instead of like, spending on magnets, you just get this for free. You have to go in the City Hall and ask them. This is the Disney City Hall. So just ask them. This is the main street in Disneyland. I think here is the parade at night. And guys, look what I'm seeing. The Disney Castle. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but Disney Castle. We'll be going there. Oh my god, guys, did you look at that ride? So pretty. Here you'll find a lot of things to munch on. Like when we were just coming by to the Fantasyland, there are lots of cafes and lots of souvenir shops. So this is the Walt Disney's iconic statue. And guys, the OG of all times, Disneyland's main castle. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. Oh my god. You'll just see me saying oh my god throughout the video. Trust me, it's so worth it. Guys, we are stepping into the Sleeping Beauty castle. Oh my god, it is just so pretty. Oh, the details are amazing. Can you see? Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Oh, the iconic story. Oh my god. It's just so pretty. And can you hear the music? Is that Sleeping Beauty? Oh my god, there she is. Oh my god, there's our Sleeping Beauty. There she is. And finally she found her prince like I did. You can see the crowd at the Peter Pan flight. This is the famous one in Disneyland. Guys, our first ride is here. This is the Peter Pan ride. Our Peter Pan ride. Oh god, it is so pretty, guys. Oh wow. for the Snow White ride. Snow White. Oh my god, the experience I'm just sharing with you guys of the Peter Pan ride, it was amazing. You literally feel like you are up above in the sky at night. You must do that. Now let's see how the Snow White ride goes. This is the wishing well of the Snow White, sorry. Guys, now we are going to the Snow White ride. Oh my god, I am so excited. Snow White is like we all girls, I don't know about guys, but we all girls have been hearing since childhood. She is the OG fairy.
Smooth iron there is the command.
Oh, wow. So pretty. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now we are going to the Pinocchio ride. Guys, avoid coming on weekends because for the Snow White ride, we just were waiting in queue for max 20 minutes. We are heading to the Pinocchio ride. So as I was telling you guys, choose Wednesday, Tuesday or midweek because usually we have been standing in line for not more than 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need an express lane as well. You can find tables like this with shade and sit under and have your food, lunch. Now we are going to the Frontierland. We just finished the Fantasyland. So the main rides over there were Snow White, Pinocchio and I forgot, what was that? Peter Pan's ride, yeah. So do check those flights out. Oh my god, look! Look at her! Sea turtle. Oh, such a beautiful fairyland, guys. It's genuinely the happiest place on earth. I can't believe how many times I said, oh my god, and screamed so pretty. What's that? Let's see. Guys, there's a huge ship cruise as well. So we are planning to board that in Disneyland. From here, you can take it. You can board the ship and it's so huge. I don't know if you can see. Can you see from behind? Oh, see, the ship is here. We are boarding the ship. We are going on the top floor of the ship. This ship is so pretty and let me show you the back how it is. It's like the wheel is attached. Oh my god. Guys, now we are in the queue for Pirates of the Caribbean line and the estimated wait time is 35 minutes. So this is, I think, the most famous ride. Guys, that was the ship which we boarded. I would totally recommend it. Oh my god, guys, look, such a cool ride it is. This is Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, my bad, sorry. This is the Adventure... What's that? Adventure Treehouse. Check it out.
Take them all off again, Mickey.
Jones. It's a romance. Drink up marriages. Yo-ho!
So tell you what, Captain Jack Sparrow, you'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map and this lovely key.
Guys, I 100% recommend you the Pirates and Caribbean ride. Please do it. It's so good. And also make sure that you carry spare clothes because you might get wet. Oh my god, just look at that. So pretty. So guys, we are now in this cafe and we are checking out if we can get the Mickey candy bar. This is what you can get here. This is what all you can get. So the thing here is you have to download the Disneyland app in order to place your order. So I got this cute Mickey ice cream bar which was for $6. Can't wait to have it. Yeah, it's so cute. Guys, now we are in a queue for Haunted Mansion. Now the wait time has just increased, like it's almost hitting half an hour to an hour. Guys, this is the Haunted Mansion. Guys, the detailing by Disneyland is just amazing. Oh my god, guys, this experience is amazing. Don't miss out on this one. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Detailing is amazing. This beautiful tree house. Guys, now we are entering Adventureland. Can't wait for adventures. The famous ride over here is Indiana Jones ride. Let's see where we can find that. Oh, this is the Indiana Jones adventure. Oh my god, guys, look at the wait time. It's 1 hour. But we have no other option than to stand in line because we aren't going to miss this. Guys, we have just hopped onto a Jungle Cruise ride because the Indiana Jones ride waiting was way too much. See guys, this is how the Jungle Cruise is. Looks so fun.
I didn't really need to be intentional.
I've boarded the Jungle
Wait,
Cruise.
yeah, that's correct. I said that so wrong. Oops, my bad. Did you know Titanic went underwater? It took like 3 hours. I can make it 30 minutes. You guys want to check it out? Oh, I got permission to hit something. Wave goodbye to that pretty dog adventures. I said the pretty dog, not the ugly people. We need to work out with the deal. Just a small reminder, please remain seated. Keep your head 4 feet. Us humans can only group to 2. Look down. 1, 2.
Guys, now we are standing in line for Indiana Jones ride. And guess what is the wait time? It's 65 minutes. I hope so, it's worth it. Guys, as you can see, this ride is, oh my god, we are just passing through caves. We are at the Tikki Juice Bar. It has a theme of Moana and this is very famous. So let's try it out. We are now at the big mountain ride in the Frontierland. Now the queues are just starting to increase. Guys, this is the mountain ride. Guys, I couldn't show you the mountain railroad because it requires you to keep your devices inside because you'll lose it. But it was amazing. It was the fastest, I think, roller coaster. So now we are here at Star Wars ride and the wait time is almost 80 minutes. So hopefully we'll catch it and then make it to the parade. It's already 7. Guys, we are still in the queue at the entrance of the Star Wars ride. Guys, now we are inside the spaceship and we are experiencing the best space. Guys, I must tell you, the experience in Disneyland is just insane. Please, please, if you get a chance, do visit Disneyland. Also guys, there are a lot of dining options. You can see this, and I would recommend doing Star Wars ride in the night, especially in the evening.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good.
You'll meet your resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Attention, all resistance personnel. I repeat,
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
So this is what your resistance is. Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is...
we are on the last ride for Disney. This is a Space Mountain ride and it's one of the must-do rides. Let's see how it turns out. Guys, the Space Mountain ride was amazing. I know I'm just saying it for every ride, but trust me, this was worth waiting in that line for 90 minutes. Please, if you come to Disneyland, don't miss this. And ultimately, the castle. We are back to the Disney castle. Guys, I'm ending the Disney vlog here. It was amazing. Like, please do all the rides which I have mentioned in the vlog. Also, check for the tickets because sometimes the prices can be as low as $100. So don't end up paying more, you know. And I hope you come to Disneyland soon. Bye.